So this USDCAD analysis for Wednesday, 21st of March. Now, let's have a look at prices, the way prices may likely go. So, more recently, we've had this very strong move to the upside on the USDCAD. We've had prices head up towards that 131 level. We trade slightly above the 131. Trade slightly above the 131, but after which we've come into a period of consolidation beneath the level. We've seen a bit of sell side momentum come back into the market. Somewhat counter trend, but I suppose a pullback was always likely. Now we've had prices pull back towards the 130, the very next significant level. Do appear to be catching a bit of a bid here, slightly above the 130. We are looking at prices possibly in around that. It came pretty close to the 130 actually. So in around that 130.15, in around that 130.15, 130.10, in around that 130.15, 130.10, in around that 130.10 mark, we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come into the market. We didn't quite get down towards that 130, but around that 130.10, we are seeing a bit of bullish buy side momentum come into the market. So if the bullish buy side momentum persists and brings us in alignment with this most recent trend and the overall trend here on the USDCAD, we are looking for a move up towards that 131. If we were to successfully break above this 131, the very next level that we are looking at, here to the upside are moves up towards that 131.88, a break beyond which we're looking for prices to move up towards that 132.54. If, however, we do break down from where we are at present, and this is merely a retracement rather than This is merely a retracement rather than a reversal, bringing us in alignment with the overall trend. We are looking for prices to head down towards that 130. See if we do find that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. 130 proved to be a somewhat significant, minor significant obstacle. I suppose, no, that's a bit of an oxymoron. An obstacle here in 2018 for prices to navigate to the upside. So we're looking for it to potentially act as support. If we are to break down from this 130, we do have the 200 period moving average to keep in mind. But ultimately, we are looking for prices to head down towards that 129.44. Successful break from which we're looking for prices to head down towards that 129, while being aware of the 400 period moving average, which may act as a dynamic level of support alongside the 200 period moving average. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 129 or much beyond the 129 here on the USDCAD. And again, I wouldn't expect prices to move much beyond the 32.54 to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. So we can have a look at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here. On the daily chart, as we can see, we came up towards that 131. We're pulling back a little bit here, but the overall trend is clearly to the upside. So we could potentially pull back towards our 130 level, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart, using it as a potential springboard for a further move to retest that 131 or possibly a move up towards that 131.88. And with that said, that wraps up the USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.